Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to upload CapCut videos to YouTube. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, we will just edit our video here. You can see I am editing a video. Like this video, I will add some music and some text into it, and I will just save it into my gallery. Like I want to save it on the 720 pixel or maybe 1080p resolution here. I will just export it from here, and this is an ad, and you can skip this ad from the right top corner. Countdown there, just skip it, and we will save the video in our mobile phone. And you can see there is option called it looks stunning. Let's share it. You can share the video to TikTok, WhatsApp, Instagram, and also on YouTube from here directly. You can also share it to your Facebook account. So this is the details option, and now YouTube has opened. You can upload a video from here directly from CapCut application. So this is the way how you can upload CapCut videos to YouTube. Thanks for watching this video.